Today I'm here at the Riley Ranch Nature Reserve. I'm going to take you on a tour over a lot of the paths here. There's a couple of loops that you can do. So you can do a short walk or a longer walk. They're nice gravel trails. One thing you need to know though is you cannot bring your dog with you here, which makes me a little sad because my Shasta girl used to go on hikes and walks with me all the time, but she had back surgery last year, so she can't come on this long of a walk anyway. But it's a glorious September day, and I really just wanted to get out and I wanted to show you this hidden gem in the northwest corner of Bend. You know, it's days like this that just remind me why I moved to Bend, Oregon. It is such an amazing place. I absolutely love it. And if you like my videos and my channel, would you go ahead and give this one a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so that you get notified every week when I make videos just like this. Now I happen to be walking right in the middle of the day. It's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I bet if you came more around evening hours, like 4 or 5 o'clock, you would probably see more wildlife. It's just not the time where they're going to be out and about. They're all sleeping in the shade right now. I'm a little bit sad to see the parking lot ahead of me. I went around both of the loops and had a wonderful time today. I hope you enjoyed seeing Riley Nature Reserve. And when you come to Bend, or if you already live here and you haven't checked it out, I hope you will. It is an amazing place to walk and enjoy nature. And I did see one hawk. I just wasn't fast enough with my camera, so I'm sure you will see some wildlife when you're out here.